Sunrise over the big island of Hawaii. Our port today is Kona, and that means taking a tender from the Pride of America into town. This is going to be a big day. An 8-hour excursion with Kalina Tours of Hawaii takes us around most of the island. Our tour guide for today is Chance. When we start our journey, we see our first landmark.
Now, to this day, nobody knows where Kamehameha is buried because the Hawaiians believe in a spiritual energy.
As we drive through Kona, I'm impressed with the quaintness and cleanliness of the downtown area. This is the oldest church in Hawaii, and there's our ship, the Pride of America. Traveling around the southern tip of the island, about an hour and a half from Kona, we see the lava flow residue from Kilauea. We're getting close to Punalu'u Beach, the famous black sand beach of Hawaii. The black sand is made of balsam and created by lava flowing into the ocean, which explodes as it reaches the ocean and cools. Its consistency is so interesting it doesn't stick to your hands. It's a rocky shoreline and trade winds do provide a modest surf, but that's not the big attraction here. Check it out. See what looks like rocks near the line of tourists? Well, they are resting sea turtles, and the rules of disturbing these amazing creatures are quite strict. Although it's tempting, we're told that it is illegal to bring home any souvenirs of black sand or rocks from the beach. Hawaiian custom says that taking home lava rocks or black sand would anger Pele, the goddess of volcano, thus bringing you bad luck. There are only around 24 black sand beaches in all of the world, and many of them are rocky and difficult to access. As we leave the beach, it's time to see the source of this black lava sand as we head up to Kilauea. You know you're getting close when you see the steam vents. We don't stop because the smell of sulfur is terrible. Rather, we get up close to the less toxic steam vents along the side of the road. As we make our way to the Kilauea Cauldron, we arrive at Volcano House, a unique hotel on the rim of Kilauea for more than 100 years, and whose visitors have included presidents and celebrities from the 20th century. Even if you don't stay here, you can sit back, relax, have a meal, even with cocktails, while overlooking Kilauea. Pretty incredible. But to truly get a sense of the greatness of Kilauea, you need to walk outside to the observation deck. There is a trail below, but we don't have enough time on this trip to explore it. But we are so impressed with the wildflowers that emerge from the lava rocks. As you look at the gas emissions in the distance, this is an indicator of an active volcano. In fact, Kilauea has been erupting since 1983 and had a small eruption less than a week after we visited. And the views from Volcano House here are amazing. Volcano National Park encompasses 523 square miles, climbs from sea level to more than 13,000 feet, and is home to 6 climate zones, including the one we're about to see. And now we're going through the lava tubes. Walking through a lush rainforest and listening to the calls of native birds, we enter a 500-year-old lava tube, where a river of 2,000-degree Fahrenheit lava once flowed. The Thurston Lava Tube, also known as Nahuku, is located at an altitude of 3,900 feet on Kilauea's crater and has a ceiling height of 20 feet. But be careful, there are many places along the lava tube that are much shorter and it is very dimly lit. We use our cell phone for better visibility. Leaving Volcanoes National Park, we are driving northeast to Hilo and the home of Rainbow Falls. The Rainbow Fall Cascade is 80 feet over a lava cave that, according to legend, is home to the ancient Hawaiian goddess Hina, the goddess of the moon. The intensity of the fall changes every day and depends on how much water is falling from the watershed above the volcano. There are so many waterfalls around the Big Island, it's hard to miss them, and our guide Chance does an excellent job giving us a perspective from a local Hawaiian.
Respect, really, come here, respect the people, respect the land, understand that Hawaiians really care about the land rights. They care about taking care of the aina. So when you come, it's 100% free to pick up a piece of rubbish and throw it in a trash can. 100% free to volunteer for a beach cleanup and give back to the communities of the people you're visiting, right? So, You already know it's all aloha here in Hawaii. Everybody's friendly. Just come here with respect, come here with an openness and a willingness to learn and give back to the land.
We then embark on our 1.5-hour drive through the north central part of the island on our way back to Kona, traversing along incredible landscapes right through the other 2 major volcano fields.
So really quick, everybody, to the left we have Mauna Loa right there. That's the other active volcano on the island. Last eruption was 2022 in December. So that one right there to the left. By mass, that's the largest active volcano on the planet. And by height, from the seafloor to the summit, that is the 2nd tallest mountain on planet Earth, even taller than Mount Everest, actually. That one to the right, over here we have Mauna Kea. It's in the clouds, you can't see it quite yet, but as soon as we make about 2 or 3 more turns, it'll come out from the clouds once we hit the Kona side of the saddle road. Mauna Kea, tallest mountain in the world. Tallest mountain in the world on the right, 2nd tallest mountain in the world on the left. We have the observatories up here on the Mauna Kea mountain to the right here. 15 observatories with some of the highest caliber telescopes in the entire world, like the Gemini telescopes, the Mitsubishi telescopes are up there. It receives data from the Hubble Space Telescope. So very active for the astronomy world on the top of the Mauna Kea. Both of these mountains to the left and the right get snow every year. Don't let them lie to you, it snows every year.
Returning to the Pride of America, we leave the Big Island with a newfound respect for its raw beauty and incredible mystery, and look forward to the next chapter of our amazing adventure, visiting the 50th state during our 40th wedding anniversary.